Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing dill leaves with aloo or potato. So let's start with the ingredients now. Here I've taken about one bunch of dill leaves washed and chopped. I've taken one onion chopped and one potato peeled and chopped. Here I've taken quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of chili powder, salt as per taste. Now to a pan I will add about 1.5 spoon of oil, and then I will add the onions to it and saute that really well until the onion turns soft. So we'll just saute that well. Now the onion is soft, we'll add the chopped potatoes and we'll saute that again for about a minute, and then we will add all the masalas, that is chili powder, salt and turmeric powder to it, and we'll saute that again for a while until all the ingredients combine well so that the potatoes can be cooked well with the masalas here. So now next we will just cover the lid and let the potatoes cook for about 3 minutes, and make sure you just stir that occasionally to make sure that it does not stick to the pan or the potatoes does not burn. So now here finally we'll add the dill leaves and we'll mix that well. And dill leaves requires very less time to be cooked. It would hardly take 2 minutes. So first I will combine all the ingredients well with the dill leaves, and then we will cover the lid and cook this for about 2 minutes. And also make sure you just stir that occasionally. So here we go, we'll just cook this well. So now you can see that the leaves is turned soft, and I'll just check the potatoes if it's cooked with the help of a fork. So the recipe is done now. We'll just turn off the flame and we'll serve this with roti or paratha. It will taste delicious. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.